We founded MoneySent in 2019. With my team, we developed an application that people can use to send and receive money and coordinate all other efforts involving money. I thought of MoneySent as something that would solve a problem because, you see, the reason that's why I created MoneySent was one time ago when I wanted to send money to my friend in America, and I wanted to do MoneyGram online. So I signed up at MoneyGram online successfully. My email, my name. Unfortunately, I could not send money to another person using MoneyGram online because I was a Ugandan. So I was like, no, Uganda needs something that is international, because at least I have $100 on my bank account, and I was only sending $30. So I was like, so they look at us as their policies guard us from using their systems. So I said, no, we should develop something that could help everyone, something that anyone can use, because there are people out there who are needing this kind of systems, but they never get to use them because they are not able to use them. So it's because of their policies they put up that Ugandans are not supposed to send money online using MoneyGram and stuff like that. So that is why I started MoneySent. I thought of something that would be cheaper and convenient for everyone. That's why I started MoneySent. It's been a year since we started, and we've been going well, well. We're serving about more than 3,000 people right now, and we have about 497 agents, MoneySent agents, all around the country. And we have done more than 1 billion shillings in transactions in our small start, because I'm sure you've never seen us on TV or anywhere. So we've been doing normal advertisements, and then we've been able to catch up people's minds over our services that we offer. First of all, before you send money using MoneySent, you must be a registered user and a verified user. We have a system that verifies your ID and your photo. So it's not the same day, it's instant. The reason as to why we have MoneySent, it is in past. That the moment you click on send, money has already been sent. So it is instantaneous. So you will get your money instantly. And we're using the best security. I cannot put it out here, but we have the best security. We do not think anyone can come into our system for sure. Yeah, we try to prevent that every single day. And we have personalized systems that do the guarding. Yeah. Money saving groups for women, because we know that women are doing more of this than men do. So in that, women have always had this problem that we're keeping our money with Penina. Then Penina gets a sick child. Then Penina uses the money. So MoneySent came to solve that problem. Like MoneySent as a system, you come with Penina, Jane, and Joan. Then you set up a date on when you want this money to be collected from your accounts. And then you set up a date on when you want this to be paid out in queue, according to your queue. Whether Jane comes first, whether Penina comes first, and no one in that group that you've created within the MoneySent application has the ability to get that money out, but the system does it automatically. So if it's Jane's turn, Jane will get their 100,000 at that day, 12 in midnight. In the morning, they wake up to see their money, so they can use that money to do anything with the MoneySent application. The fact that these fintechs are coming up because we want to boost our economy, and we want to employ young men and women who are vigilant, who are optimistic about the future. You know, once I shared with the Minister of Finance, and I told him that we agree with those people in America, we agree with those people in Nigeria, but they are not the governments that have come up with these kinds of developments. They are people like us that have come up with developments like these ones. So since Uganda is a growing economy and we have so many fintechs coming, you know, Uganda is wide enough and the market is big enough that we need more MoneySent companies, as many as possible, because we are a growing economy, and I know that if we all come in, there is going to be a lot of job opportunities for the young men and women in our country. Yeah. But the challenge is that we have people who are coming in here. For example, MoneySent is a self-owned. Like, we have no investors from America, investors from Nigeria, no one. Yeah. So it becomes hard for us to run the business because we don't have too much money. And now our government put up policies for all of us. If you have $1 billion or not, they put policies for everyone. So that becomes a problem to us because now if we have to pay 50 million per year for license, it becomes a little hard for us to do that because we don't have any other investors coming in. And when shall we ever break even if we have to pay that kind of money every single year? I would wish that if the government would give us about 2 to 3 years to prepare ourselves to know whether we shall be able to run the market. They can have their policies with us, and we run under their policies, we run under the regulations, and then we find out if we can really do the business. And if we can, then we can start paying them. So another challenge that we have is with aggregators, the telecoms. They tend to charge 2% of every amount of money that is being sent to them. So we receive less. Yet you're a customer, you want to use MoneySent. We have options where how you can add MoneySent. You can add money on MoneySent using your bank account, that's your Visa or MasterCard, MTN or Airtel. But we get a challenge with MTN and Airtel because most of the people here that are unbanked use MTN and Airtel. And we have services that they don't have on their platforms. So you adding money on MoneySent, they will charge MoneySent 2% or more. So, and the client expects to get 100,000, yet MoneySent is getting lower than that. So that is a very, very big challenge. So there should be togetherness in everything that we do because Uganda is too big for only Airtel and MTN. Being that it is High People that is bringing up this 40 Days, 40 Fintechs initiative. It's a brand that has been there for so many years. So I believe they know what they're doing for sure. So the fact that we have this initiative going on, it is because they want to expose us to the world. Like, for example, me here, I want to be exposed. And from today onwards, I'll start getting phone calls. So I would urge all those fintechs around the country to join the initiative because we all need it. So as I wind up, I would like to let you know how you can access MoneySent. We're on Google Play. You can just type MoneySent and download the application. Also, you can visit us on our website.